A total of 270 doctors across the country succumbed to the COVID-19 infection in the second wave of the pandemic, the Indian Medical Association said today. 50 among those died on a single day. Shockingly, only 3% of these doctors who passed away were fully vaccinated, the report said. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today announced an ex gratia amount of Rs 50,000 for families that lost a member to COVID-19. Families where the breadwinner died will be given a 2,500 rupees monthly pension besides the ex gratia. Children who have been orphaned due to COVID-19 will get a Rs 2,500 monthly pension till they turn 25, and they will also be educated for free. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma today visited the residence of kidnapped ONGC employee Ritul Saikia at Titabar in Jorhat district. Chief Minister Sarma assured Ritul's family that the state government was doing its best to get him released from the clutches of the Alpha I. Ritul Saikia was kidnapped by Alpha I cadres on April 21st and is yet to be rescued. The Manipur government has charged a journalist and a political activist under the National Security Act. They were arrested on May 13 over their Facebook posts reportedly criticizing the ruling BJP leaders. The official said that Imphal West District Magistrate T.H. Kiran Kumar on Monday night passed two separate orders charging Wangkham Wangthi and Laichombam Erendro under the stringent act. The CoWIN website will be made available in Hindi and 14 regional languages by next week, said the Union Health Ministry today. Currently, the website exists only in English language. It also added that 17 more laboratories will be added to the INSACOG network to increase the number of COVID-19 samples screened and allow for more special analysis. At least 7 people were killed in Gujarat after Cyclone Tauktae made landfall in the coastal state last night, officials said. Of these, 3 fatalities were reported in Bhavnagar and 1 each in Rajkot, Patan, Amreli and Valsad. Over 16,000 houses have been damaged while over 40,000 trees and over 1,000 poles have been uprooted, Chief Minister Vijay Rupani said. Delhi Police has announced a 1 lakh reward for any information that leads to the arrest of Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar, who is on the run. This comes around 2 weeks after 23-year-old former junior national wrestling champion Sagar Rana was murdered outside Chhatrasal Stadium. A non-bailable warrant has been issued against Sushil Kumar.